Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And as you can see, this video has some noise which is came from my AC unit as well the environment I'm living in. So let's remove this noise using Adobe Premiere Pro.
Okay, let me show you. Just right click on the track and go to Adobe Audition. Okay, once it's open, select the noise area and click on the capture noise print. Once it's get printed, it means we can remove the noise entirely. So right click and select all and go to effect tabs and then noise reductions and noise reductions process, and I keep default settings here and then I'm apply. Boom, noise is removed. Let's play the track from the Adobe Premiere Pro now and check this out.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And as you can see,
Hope you guys enjoy my video. See you next time.